In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple objects in PowerPoint, a nifty little trick that can really make your life easier when working on presentations. Whether you're an occasional user or someone who relies on PowerPoint regularly, knowing how to efficiently select multiple items can save you a ton of time and streamline your workflow. First off, you'll want to open up the Microsoft PowerPoint application on your computer. If you haven't already got it installed, make sure to download and install it beforehand. With PowerPoint open, you'll see a list of your recent presentations or an option to create a new one. Selecting a presentation to work on is your next step. Simply click on any presentation from the list, or open a new one if you're starting from scratch. This sets the stage for the task ahead. Now that you have your presentation open, it's time to dive into the main task. Selecting multiple objects. Imagine you've added different images, text boxes, or shapes onto your slide, and you want to move or format them all at once. The quickest way to do this is by using the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Locate it, typically found at the bottom left or bottom right corner of the keyboard, and press down on it. While holding down the Ctrl key, use your mouse to click on each of the objects you want to select. You'll notice that each one you click on will become highlighted or outlined, indicating it's been selected. This process might feel a bit tricky at first, especially if you're not accustomed to using keyboard shortcuts. But with a little practice, you'll find it's a breeze and a massive time saver. One of the primary benefits of mastering this technique is the increased control it offers when managing multiple elements of your slide. You can drag them around together, align them, or apply uniform formatting all at once rather than having to repeat the process for each object individually. This is particularly useful if you're trying to maintain a consistent layout or style across your slides. Remember to keep the Ctrl key pressed all the way until you've selected all your desired objects. If you accidentally select something you don't want, you can simply click on it again while holding Ctrl to deselect it. And there you go, with everything selected, you can go on to make the changes you need with ease. This simple trick can significantly enhance your productivity, making it easier to manage and manipulate different components of your slides without hassle. So, next time you're navigating through a PowerPoint presentation, give this method a try and experience the efficiency boost for yourself.